Here's a 2016 Ford Fusion. With outstanding fuel economy, distinctive styling, and a wide array of tech features, this Fusion is the perfect choice for a midsize sedan. The Sync with My Ford voice-activated communications and entertainment system helps keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. This sleek and stylish vehicle is all about the details with superb craftsmanship inside and out. The quiet cabin includes an audio input jack, multifunction steering wheel, and a personal safety system.
It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what is behind you. Let the sunshine and fresh air in with the sunroof.
Boost your driving experience with this striking Fusion. Drive yours home today.
For exceptional customer service and a large lineup of quality vehicles, come to 5-Star Ford Louisville. We're conveniently located at the I-35 East and Valley Ridge Exit 453 in Louisville.